you usually numb to the safety instructions at the start of your flights? Did you know? Emergency evacuations are not as rare as you might think.
Safety Learnings, compiled by Safety Encyclopedia.
Flyers often have the habit of ignoring flight attendant while giving safety instructions, with an excuse of knowing them by heart since they have heard them million times, and that kind of behavior can be fatal since every airplane and every airline can have its own set of rules and conditions of behavior in the certain safety challenging situation. For instance, the location of exits will be different, the seat layout will be different, and the people on the plane will be different. Although plane accidents are not that frequent, it is always better to be safe than sorry. Safety instructions will explain where to find and how to use emergency equipment you, as a passenger, may have to operate. In case of an emergency, a well-briefed passenger will depend less on crew members and have a better chance of survival. So, no matter what you're doing, it's far more important to give flight attendants your full attention for 2 minutes. Their instructions can save your life.
To learn more safety item, don't forget to subscribe, Safety Encyclopedia, and hit the bell icon.